Alabama labor laws affect every workplace in the state, but many employers and employees don't fully understand their rights and responsibilities. Understanding these laws is crucial for maintaining compliance and protecting worker rights. Alabama follows federal standards for many workplace regulations. The state has not established its own minimum wage, so employers must follow the federal minimum wage of $7.25 per hour. Similarly, overtime regulations are governed by federal law, requiring payment of 1.5 times regular pay for hours worked beyond 40 in a work week. Alabama is an at-will employment state. This means employers can terminate employees at any time for any lawful reason without warning. Likewise, employees can resign at any time. There are exceptions to this rule, including terminations that violate federal anti-discrimination laws or breach employment contracts. When it comes to breaks and meals, Alabama only requires rest periods for workers age 14 and 15, who must receive a 30-minute break after working 5 continuous hours. For all other employees, there is no state requirement for meal or rest breaks, though many employers provide them voluntarily. Alabama does not require employers to offer vacation, sick, or holiday leave. However, if an employer establishes a leave policy, they must honor it according to their company guidelines. Employers who promise paid time off in their policies must follow through on those commitments. The state does mandate certain types of leave. Employers must provide paid leave for jury duty and cannot force employees to use vacation or sick time for this purpose. Registered voters are entitled to up to 1 hour of leave to vote, unless polls are open 2 hours before work begins or 1 hour after work ends. Child labor laws in Alabama are strictly enforced. Employers must obtain a child labor certificate to hire minors. Children 13 and younger are prohibited from working in public places. Teenagers aged 14 and 15 face restrictions on work hours and types of jobs they can perform. Those 16 and 17 have more lenient but still significant restrictions. All employers of minors must maintain proper documentation and provide suitable working conditions. Alabama does not have a comprehensive whistleblower protection statute, but specific protections apply in certain contexts, such as reporting OSHA violations or workers' compensation fraud. Federal whistleblower laws provide additional protections for employees who report legal violations in good faith. Regarding wage transparency, Alabama does not require employers to disclose wage ranges in job postings. However, companies must follow federal regulations on fair pay and record keeping. Federal law protects employees who discuss wages with coworkers, and employers cannot retaliate against employees for sharing or comparing wages. While Alabama lacks a comprehensive state-level anti-discrimination law, federal statutes like Title VII of the Civil Rights Act, the Americans with Disabilities Act, and the Age Discrimination in Employment Act protect workers from discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, national origin, disability, and age. Every employer in Alabama must purchase and maintain workers' compensation insurance to cover workplace injuries. Injured workers have the right to consult with the medical professional of their choosing. Understanding Alabama labor laws helps create fair and compliant workplaces. Employers must stay informed about both state and federal requirements, while employees should know their rights regarding wages, working conditions, and protection from discrimination. When both sides understand the rules, it creates a more productive and harmonious work environment.